Welcome back to our channel. Today Gigago will introduce the app to test your SIM, eSIM's network speed, Ookla speed test, which is one of the most used applications in the entire world. We will take a look about how the app works and how to use the app to test your network speed. Step 1. Choose SIM, eSIM you want to check speed test and turn on its mobile data. Step 2. Download and install the app. Speed test by Ookla for Android, iPhone suitable for the device version you are using. Step 3. Open up the app and we will start with the speed test. You will see this interface and it's telling you to click Go. Step 4. Once you click, it will connect and give you the speed test. Step 5. Next, we will also have an option to check video performance. This apps will measure and give you the result that when you play videos, how's the quality of video look like, as well as with the speed that we have, what type of videos can be played. Step 6. The third option we have on the application is to turn on a VPN as it says it's free, secure, fast VPN to enable protection, so you can use this option as well. Note, on the top right corner you will see the results icon. If you click on it, it can tell you the results that you have measured in the past, so the list of all results are here. So Gigago has shown you how to check your network speed using the Ookla speed test app. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Gigago's support team. We are more than happy to help.